Alright, boom, so check it. One day I'm out joyriding, you feel me? Like just minding my own little business, just doing my own little thing. You feel me? Like I wanted to bring the bike out. You know what I'm saying? It was like a little Sunday fun day, but it wasn't much to do, wasn't much traffic going on. So I brought the bike out. You know what I'm saying? I dipped through the hood, whoop-de-whoop. And then next thing I know, I'm coming up over this little speed hump. Like, you know, I do the speed hump thing plenty of times. I go over the speed hump on some easy breezy shit. And then what happens? The fucking piston hits the intake valve. The motor just cuts off completely. I'm out in the middle of the hood, just like, you know what I'm saying, naked. And I mean that from a standpoint of like, you know what I'm saying, like the police could have ran down on me at any given time. I'm just sitting there on some hot boy shit. So basically what ended up happening was the piston hit the valve. You know, the whole head needed to be redone, so that's why there's no head on the bike and everything right now. And just literally what I'm looking to do is I'm gonna take this motor and really Picasso this motherfucker, you feel me? Like the motor, the frame, the rims, swing arm, everything that I can imagine that I've ever wanted to do. It's literally like a dream build. Like, have you ever had like a dream build and now you finally got the opportunity to build something exactly the way that you want it? Well, this is what I'm doing with this bike, and I want to bring you guys along with me on the journey. So if you haven't subscribed, take the opportunity to do so now. Hit the bell, turn on the post notifications. Be sure to click the link down below to cop fresh merch. Follow me on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? But I don't want you guys just to follow me just to be another follower. Like, follow and engage. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your thoughts. If you guys have color concepts or any ideas or anything like that for the bike, be sure, man, your input is welcome, your feedback is welcome. I love to talk to you guys. I love to engage with you guys, and I'm just looking forward to hearing from y'all. So until the next one.